Hi everyone, welcome to the detailed flip through of the first planner of 12-month planner bundle. Each of the planner has a different color and a different theme going on for them. So as you can see, for January, the color is purple and the theme is wintry. The cover has got snowflakes, sweater, snowing and of course a warm cup of tea. The cover is made of 180 GSM thick paper which has a glossy finish. So let's dive in and see what the planner has gotten. So every planner starts with a quote. For January it is, you have the power to create your dream life, which I truly believe in. Next we have the monthly tab. You can use it just for the calendar purpose, or you can mark your important dates such as birthdays, anniversaries, bills, or whatever is important for you. Here we have got the expense tracker, which is divided in two parts, fixed and variable. In fixed section, you can write your fixed expenses such as monthly rent, electricity bill, fuel expenses, etc. And on variable section, you can write whatever new or unexpected expenses occur. At the end, you get to write the total for the two. And lastly, the grand total of the entire month. This will help you in keeping a track of your expenses. Now below the expense tracker, we have got the weekly glance. This is divided number wise from week 1 to week 5. And the dates are included as well, such as from date 1 to 7 it is week 1, from date 8 to 14 it is week 2, and so on and so forth. So this section can be used for writing particular events such as birthdays, anniversaries, bills, all these events and tasks that have to be done in that particular week. Whenever you'll open the planner, you will always get to see this in the beginning, and hence there is no chance of missing out any important dates. At the bottom, I have got the tracker guide, which I will explain to you when I will tell you about the daily section. The next page we have is the routine page. It is divided in 4 parts: morning, daytime, evening and night routine. And let me tell you, it's a very useful page. You know, it happens with a lot of us, the entire day goes by and we cannot understand where did all the hours go. And the tasks remain incomplete, though we were busy all day long. So this is going to help you with that. So while using it, you can first decide the hours for use, such as for someone, morning can be from 6 am to 10 am. For another person, it could be from 7 to 12. Write the hours of each segment of the day, and then you can divide your tasks accordingly, such as what time to get up, what time to sleep. If you're working from home, which part of the day you find yourself most productive. And not just the tasks, you can also write other elements such as how you want to feel. Such as in the morning, do you want to feel more calm or do you want to feel more energetic? It's all up to you. Also, you don't have to fill this page in one go. You can discover and explore what works for you as the month goes by. Now we are at the daily section and all these planners are dated. So day and date is mentioned at the top. So the date starts with grateful for section. It's a proven fact that if we start our day with gratitude, the chances of a day getting better increases by manyfold. Next, you have the place to write your daily tasks and goals, and then you have the section for best part of today was. I believe everything has something good going on, no matter how insignificant or small it may look. But if you fill this before you go to sleep, it will help you sleep peacefully and with contentment, and at the end of the month, you will have at least 31 things to look back and cheer for. Next, we have the mood tracker, which I have created in emoji style. So the 2 dots here represent the eyes, and for that, let's go back to the previous page and see the tracker guide. So here, as you can see, there are 5 faces made, named happy, sad, grumpy, okay, confused. So based on how your day was, I wish it is happy always. You can draw the faces, and yeah, there you go, you have your mood tracker. Then next to it, you have 5 circles, and here you can write all the habits that you wish to track that month, such as reading, walking, or you wish to track your weight. So you can simply write the names here, and for daily section, you can simply either do a check mark or color or crisscross or however you want to mark. You can mark your habits. Or if you're tracking weight, you can write the number here. If you're tracking the number of steps walked, write the number here as well. The reason why I have put all these segments in the same page itself, because a lot of us start tracking these things with great enthusiasm, but then we start lazing around and we stop tracking, and after seeing some of the blank circles or blank trackers, we actually don't feel like going back or turning pages. So I believe if you see it, you cannot miss it. So you will get to track all these things every day without a miss. So at the end of the entire week, we have weekly review section. which has got segments like highlight was, the weekly highlight, what worked, what didn't, and what's the takeaway of the week. It will help you review the entire week and will prepare you for the next ones. Now we have all the weeks going on. Now, at the end of all the weeks, we have got purchase section and declutter and organize, which comes in the form of checkboxes. So you can mention the big purchases or grocery or let's say any birthday gift, something like that here. And this declutter section, I will really suggest you to use it, because what we do is that we accumulate all the decluttering and organizing part for Diwali cleaning or spring cleaning, and it becomes really hectic. If we keep on doing this on a regular basis, it keeps our home clutter free and our mind useful. So you can declutter sections like your cupboard, just a drawer, or your purse, mobile phone, because digital decluttering is equally important. And as soon as they're done, simply check mark this and feel the accomplishment. The next page is my favorite. It talks about monthly specials, such as listening. You can write the music, the podcast, and what you're liking in that. Watching, which is movies, series, reading, the book you're reading, and you can write a little review here as well. And traveling, be it a distant travel or just a new restaurant that you explored in your city as well. Now comes the brain dump page. Now this is your space. You can write, draw, doodle, paste, journal. It's completely up to you. And since these planners are lightweight and portable and fit in easily, so I will suggest you to carry this everywhere with you, and whatever comes to your mind, please write it down, because some of these ideas are great and you can always come back and look for what you were thinking. Find some great insights. Now we are at the last page, and it has got some insightful questions like how I'm feeling at the end of the month and why. Are you feeling happy, content, worried, or mixed feelings, and why? And this introspection will help you a lot going forward. Then we have what worked, what didn't, what needs to be incorporated, and achievements of the month. It's very important to remember your achievements that will work as fuel for your next successes. And lastly, few farewell words for the passing month, that is January, in this planner. And with that, we come to the end of this planner, that is January, which means it's time for a new planner, that is February. So yes, you get to feel the fresh start 12 times a year, and why shouldn't you? So let's see what February has to say. Did you know you are the author of this book called Your Life? Yeah, so this is how February looks like, and the placements of different tabs may be different because the weeks fall differently, but you will find all the tabs in all of the months. So all these beautiful planners, they cannot wait to meet you. And not just that, with these planner set, you get the most amazing and most unique set of freebies, which I've already shared on my Instagram profile. The link is in description below. Do check out, and I will suggest you to order your copy today itself. Wishing you a great 2023.